The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 feels exceptionally quick in everyday use, thanks to its Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and modern integrated graphics that handle heavy multitasking without drama. With very generous double data rate, 5 memory, and roomy solid-state storage options, this system is well suited to professionals juggling large datasets, virtual machines, or creative projects. The 16-inch high-definition WUXGA display with an in-plane switching panel and anti-glare coating offers crisp detail and comfortable viewing for long work days. Classic ThinkPad build quality, a precise backlit keyboard with number pad, and a large responsive touchpad make typing and navigation on this laptop a pleasure. Security and remote work features are strong, with a fingerprint reader built into the power button, an infrared-capable full high-definition webcam with privacy shutter, and firmware-based encryption support. Connectivity is outstanding, with multiple high-speed USB Type-C and Type-A ports, Thunderbolt 4 support, wired Ethernet, modern wireless networking, and an HDMI port that make docking and peripherals straightforward.